Biotin, often referred to as vitamin B7, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a pivotal role in supporting overall health and wellness. Although it's sometimes more famously linked with hair growth supplements and beauty products, its true importance lies in its fundamental biological functions. Understanding the health benefits of biotin requires a closer look not only at what this nutrient does, but also at how it contributes to various bodily processes, why it's necessary for everyone, and what the signs of deficiency might be. Let's explore the science behind biotin, its potential advantages, and tips for maintaining adequate levels in your daily life. Biotin is part of the B-complex vitamins, a group that helps the body convert food into energy. Specifically, biotin acts as a coenzyme for several carboxylase enzymes, which play roles in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Without biotin, these macronutrients cannot be efficiently converted into the energy we need for survival. This vitamin's presence is crucial for the physiological processes that keep us moving and thriving each day. One of the most frequently discussed benefits of biotin involves its impact on hair, skin, and nails. Biotin contributes to the production of keratin, a protein that makes up these structures. The theory is that by supporting keratin synthesis, biotin supplementation may help strengthen brittle nails, promote hair health, and improve skin texture. While clinical studies are limited and results can vary, some individuals who experience biotin deficiency have noted significant improvements in these areas with supplementation. For example, research has shown that women with brittle nails who received biotin experienced increased firmness and decreased splitting. Similarly, individuals who suffer from inherited conditions that disrupt normal biotin metabolism have seen improvements in hair and skin health when provided adequate biotin. Beyond the cosmetic benefits, biotin has profound effects deeper within the body. It supports the maintenance of healthy metabolic and nervous systems. By acting as a cofactor for vital enzymes, biotin assists in breaking down fatty acids, amino acids, and glucose. This process is essential for keeping blood sugar levels balanced and providing cells with consistent energy. For individuals managing blood sugar concerns, biotin's role in glucose metabolism has attracted attention. Some early studies suggest that when combined with chromium, biotin may help improve glycemic control in people with type 2 diabetes, though more robust research is needed to establish conclusive benefits. Nevertheless, it underscores how this vitamin underpins processes well beyond external beauty. Biotin also plays a key role in gene regulation and cell signaling. It aids in DNA replication and the expression of various genes, which are foundational for growth, repair, and overall health. During pregnancy, adequate biotin intake becomes especially important, as fetal development increases the demand for this nutrient. Pregnant women are at greater risk for marginal biotin deficiency, so ensuring sufficient intake during this critical time is necessary not just for their own well-being, but for the optimal health of their developing baby. When it comes to the nervous system, biotin supports the normal functioning of neurotransmitters and nerve signals. Deficiency can result in neurological symptoms such as tingling, numbness, or even more severe impacts like seizures and developmental delays in infants. These rare manifestations highlight that biotin's presence is indispensable for proper nerve function and overall brain health. Signs of biotin deficiency are rare in healthy individuals consuming a balanced diet, as the vitamin is widely available in foods and is also synthesized by beneficial intestinal bacteria. However, certain factors increase the risk of deficiency. These include prolonged consumption of raw egg whites, which contain the protein avidin that binds to biotin and prevents its absorption, certain genetic disorders, chronic alcohol use, pregnancy, and some gastrointestinal conditions that impair nutrient absorption. Symptoms of biotin deficiency may affect both physical appearance and internal systems, manifesting as hair thinning, brittle nails, red and scaly skin rashes around the eyes, nose, and mouth, and neurological symptoms such as depression, lethargy, hallucinations, or even convulsions in severe cases. Addressing deficiency typically resolves these symptoms promptly with supplementation. It's worth noting, however, that the recommended daily intake of biotin for adults is relatively small, about 30 micrograms per day, while supplements and certain products may contain much higher doses, sometimes reaching thousands of micrograms. While biotin is considered safe, even in high doses, due to its water-soluble nature and efficient excretion through urine, the body uses only what it needs and discards the excess. When thinking about your own biotin intake, a balanced diet is usually sufficient. Good food sources of biotin include eggs, cooked rather than raw, nuts and seeds, salmon, liver, dairy products, avocados, sweet potatoes, and certain vegetables like spinach and broccoli. Many whole grains and cereals also provide smaller amounts. For most people, eating a mix of these foods will support optimal levels and deliver all the health benefits associated with biotin. Beyond general health, some research has examined biotin's role in managing certain conditions. Individuals suffering from multiple sclerosis, for instance, may benefit from high-dose biotin due to its involvement in myelin synthesis and nerve function, although research remains in its early stages and results should be interpreted with caution. Similarly, rare inherited metabolic disorders such as biotinidase deficiency, holocarboxylase synthetase deficiency, and others are now routinely screened for in newborns, as timely supplementation of biotin can be life-saving for affected infants. Because biotin supports so many foundational bodily systems, its benefits extend to nearly every tissue. For muscle health, biotin ensures efficient energy production available for movement and repair. For cardiovascular wellness, optimal metabolism of fats and carbohydrates supports the heart and helps regulate cholesterol. In the immune system, healthy cells are powered by the energy derived from biotin-facilitated metabolism, supporting ongoing defense against illness. Amid growing interest in beauty and anti-aging, biotin's reputation as a hair, skin and nails vitamin continues to gain popularity. While topical application of biotin is unlikely to penetrate deep enough to deliver major benefits, oral supplementation may help those with actual deficiencies, or people experiencing hair loss or brittle nails not attributable to genetic or hormonal factors. For most, however, biotin supplements may not provide dramatic changes unless a deficiency is present. One important note for people considering supplements: high doses of biotin can interfere with laboratory blood tests, especially those measuring hormones, cardiovascular markers, and thyroid function. This is because many laboratory assays use a biotin binding technique that can be confounded in the presence of large amounts of the vitamin in the bloodstream. If you are taking significant doses of biotin and are scheduled for blood tests, it's essential to inform your healthcare provider to avoid inaccurate results and potential misdiagnosis. For those with medical conditions or concerns about biotin deficiency, it's always advisable to speak to a healthcare professional before starting supplementation. They can assess whether testing is appropriate and help determine if additional biotin intake is necessary for your unique circumstances. There is also growing interest in whether biotin might play a role in cognitive health, aging, and bone metabolism, but current evidence is still limited and based primarily on animal studies or early human trials. Still, these intriguing areas continue to be the focus of ongoing research, as scientists seek to unlock the full potential of this humble B vitamin. In summary, biotin acts as a crucial nutrient with a range of scientifically supported health benefits. From its well-known impact on hair, skin and nails, to its less visible but equally important roles in metabolic function, neurological health, and cell growth, biotin works tirelessly behind the scenes to maintain the body's basic functions. Most people can achieve sufficient levels through a diverse and balanced diet, but those at risk of deficiency or experiencing related symptoms may benefit from targeted supplementation. Above all, Biotin exemplifies how even small nutrients can play oversized roles in supporting lasting wellness, making it a vital part of a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to support natural beauty, increase your energy levels, or simply ensure optimal metabolic health, understanding the importance of biotin is the first step in harnessing its full benefits. By emphasizing a nutrient-rich diet, monitoring for signs of deficiency, and incorporating clinical guidance when appropriate, you can take full advantage of what this remarkable vitamin offers, supporting your body inside and out for years to come.